where we are going to sign our MOU with Dr. Juma and his team at Matiya Investments. And we warmly embrace this relationship. We've become good friends with Dr. Juma. He's a regular visitor to our property, and we're delighted to see what the future is going to hold with this terrific relationship. Some of you will remember this hotel as the Grand Plaza Hotel on Sheikh Zayed Road. And as I mentioned, 30 years next year is our anniversary. And in fact, my first job in Dubai, just if I can have a selfish moment, was in this very hotel back in 1996. That will tell you how old I am. So we are embarking on a renovation. Our hotel, commercial tower, is under renovation at the moment, and by the end of next year, we hope to have completed the commercial tower and also 12 new dining venues. And then we embark on the hotel and the public spaces as well, so we'll keep you posted on that. This relationship we want to build with Dr. Juma and his team is built on the relationship that we've established already. We have created a very good connection with some companies here in the UAE, namely Watermelon, who are one of our partners, who represent a number of suppliers of farm produce from all over the UAE. So in fact tonight, 80% of what you're going to eat tonight has come from local producers, and we're very proud of that fact. And we want that to be part of the unique identity that we create for this hotel as we move forward. So Dr. Juma, our friend and partner, thank you for your confidence in us, and we look forward to this great relationship that we'll have in the future. So thank you very much.
I send special thanks to His Highness Sheikh Obaid Al Maktoom. Also, I send the message, special thanks to Excellency Ali bin Saeed bin Sarood, the General Manager of Al Mamoon Racing Club. I am happy today to everyone who's attend this event. We are signing with the Millennium Downtown Hotel. Inshallah, we promise we will do something which one is special and something is biggest in the UAE.
Thanks, Mr. Sheikh Obaid Al Maktoom. Thank you for coming, especially this evening. And this is lovely evening. And I also spoke Mr. Juma about that evening. MashaAllah, he has a good thought, especially projects, and especially we always looking at the good people in our team. And we meet the Mr. Juma. First time I think we meet the Mr. Juma, he have a lot of goals. Then every day, every hour, we are seeing that Mr. Juma, we seen that news every week. They are making a group. How he can make the group? How he can make that carry on that everybody? But I'm hopeful. Means mashallah again that goals he already informed me he is going to achieve it. But alhamdulillah he is going to achieve.
pleasure to have you with us today. It was a great pleasure to start the cooperation with Al Mati Investment and with Mr. Hijazi, and we have a lot of future plan that we are very excited about it, and we are hoping that this relationship will be more fruitful for both partners, and we are really excited about it, and it was an honor to have you all with us. Thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Special this night is we are thanks to Mr. Juma. Mashallah, he called that all groups he came here, and we are promoting especially Al Matiya Group. Al Matiya Group, this is a good achievement, and now Millennium is now our part of the group, and Alhamdulillah, we are going to big, and our vision is big. We will do a lot of business investments. We also doing a lot of works, and Alhamdulillah, in future we have a good plans and good projects.
Inshallah.
Especially we this evening we call that our partners and everyone. You seen that the Highness will be came here especially, and Inshallah Highness will be also part of that Al Matiya, and it's our good sport. And we are also looking a lot of business opportunities. Inshallah, hopefully future you seen a more healthy group.
We start now with Mr. Muhammad Ijaz what we promised in the beginning when we signed the MOU. We will do so many events, so many projects, so many things. We are looking to bring the investors to UAE. Then we will start to the second level, which one we will go to the next country who's the GCC, and it will be global and in the Middle East. We have so many ideas. Also, we have something is more important in December. We are now organized for this one with Mr. Muhammad Ijaz. Mashallah, he has so many ideas. He has planned also in Saudi Arabia. He has planned also to bring ministers, people in January. Royal family also, they will coming. Most billionaire, they will come from the world in January. Just wait for that conference, big conference. It will be in December, inshallah. Also, we said for the new partner, the people from the Millennium Downtown Hotel, and today we announced the special offer, which want the people who's in the Dubai Sport Council and Sharjah Sport Council and Abu Dhabi Sport Council, they will take 25% discount from the hotel, and this offer came from Al Matiya Group.
Well, thank you to our all media partners. We are grateful and thankful and proud also for whatever been published and announced to the world. Because today, without media, also our message will not be delivered worldwide. So thanks so much. And secondly, we thank all our partners for, especially for our partner Mr. Ijaz for doing this joint venture with a local company. And we're looking forward to do unique projects. Same time, we are focusing on Emiratization in UAE as well, and we have much more to come. In January, it will be our mega event that will be more than 1,000 attendees. We will have from GCC, Royal King families. We will have from Dubai also. And alhamdulillah that we have success that our event will be under patronage, because we will have a mega inshallah conference on end of December. That time we will be announcing the unique name that the patronage and the presence will be for which Highness.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For us, for Al Matiya Group, it was a very big day, because we had an important MOU signatory with Millennium Hotel, which we are going to talk about it after that. And we were honored here to have the presence of His Highness Sheikh Obaid Al Maktoom, as well other personalities from the city, and our beloved guests, and also dignitaries and diplomatics.
हमारा आज जो ये प्रोग्राम था, छोटा सा जो था, ये गैदरिंग थी ना, वो एक अल मतिया ग्रुप और मिलेनियम होटल जो है, इनके ग्रुप में जो है होटल ग्रुप, इनके साथ एक जॉइंट वेंचर साइन किया गया है, एक MOU कि जो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे ये मिलके करेंगे, जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हम लोग बाद में अनाउंस करेंगे। और ऑक्स ग्रुप जो है, जिसके CEO मिस्टर इजाज़ मुनीर, ये एक पाकिस्तानी के लिए एक फ़ख्र है कि वो उनको उसमें उन्होंने पार्टनर लिया है साथ में। ये लोकल्स का ग्रुप है, मिलेनियम भी लोकल का ग्रुप है, तो इसमें पाकिस्तान से मिस्टर इजाज़ मुनीर को जो उन्होंने साथ में पार्टनर लिया है। सो वी आर द टीम ऑफ मिस्टर इजाज़ मुनीर। मैम जवेरिया, शी इज़ द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ ए इवेंट्स, जो अलॉक्स इवेंट्स है। मैं उसके ऑपरेशंस को देखता हूँ। लुकमान नाम है। सो आज के ये जो खुशाइंद मौका है जिसमें कि अभी आजकल यहाँ पे लोकल जल अब पहले देखते थे कि पाकिस्तानियों को रिकमेंडेशन कम मिलती थी, लेकिन अभी ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इन लोगों को साथ लेके चल रहे हैं, जिसमें अलमतिया ग्रुप जो है वो एक फॉरवर्ड स्टेप है, जो कि हमारे साथ दूसरा जॉइंट वेंचर अभी ये साइन कर चुके हैं। इसको मिलेनियम को लेके पहले भी हम लोगों ने किया है और इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है ना वो मिलेंगी इस प्लेटफॉर्म से, ऑक्स ग्रुप से और अलमतिया ग्रुप से।
आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग ऑफ ऑक्स ग्रुप अंडर द प्लेटफॉर्म, और मेरी ही कंपनी है जिसकी मैं चेयरपर्सन हूँ ए इवेंट्स। सो अलमतिया ग्रुप से हमारा ये दूसरा जेवी साइन होने जा रहा है, और पहले हम लोगों ने कोई 1 महीना पहले इनसे किया था और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, क्योंकि वही ये है कि हम लोग पाकिस्तानी एज अ पाकिस्तानी जो है हम लोग अपना नाम पैदा कर रहे हैं यूएई में ना। इंशाल्लाह हम लोग आपको वक्तन फ़क्तन नहीं, बहुत जल्दी बहुत चीज़ें आपको अभी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, और कुछ इंशाल्लाह हर चैनल पे हम आपको नज़र आएंगे। अभी इंशाल्लाह कल हम लोग जा रहे हैं सऊदी अरेबिया में, अपनी टीम, अपने ऑक्स ग्रुप और मीर ग्रुप जो हमारे चेयरमैन हैं शकील अहमद मीर इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रुप, जिनका जेवी भी साइन ऑलरेडी आपको मैं बता चुकी हूँ कि हो चुका है। अब नेक्स्ट हम इंशाल्लाह कल अभी हम यूके से आए हैं 2 दिन पहले, अब हम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड टूर कर रहे हैं 20 फ़ेब तक। तो अभी कल हम लोग सऊदी अरेबिया जा रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हमें हिज एक्सीलेंसी वहाँ के जो हैं उन्होंने बुलाया है सस्टेनेबल सिटी बनाने के बीच में हम जेवी साइन करने जा रहे हैं, और अपने जितने भी प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे यूएई में वो हम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री इंक्लूडेड पाकिस्तान में भी हम इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी जाने वाले हैं दोबारा से। थैंक यू सो मच।
واسم المطية من قبل براند يضرب مثل واحنا عشانا نحتفل ونعد لك جزل الابيات صبيان يكبر الشيم. يواب الله يواب من بعدها طاب الشعر في مدح لي عالي القدر راعي الوفا سناد وذخر وقت الرخاء والنايبات صبيان.